Welcome to Triana, guys, and we're starting off in the Plaza de Cairasco, I believe it's pronounced. I could be wrong. I'm probably mangling it. Isn't this a gorgeous building here? Outside of me here, guys. Bistro Gabinete Literario. Does that mean it's some sort of municipal library? I don't know. But it's rather gorgeous, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. There's some great detail on this building. Lovely, lovely tiles there. Next up you'll find this little square, Alamanda de Colón, complete with a statue of Christopher Columbus. Okay, so let's just have a wander around and see what we can explore. Just a point of reference, guys, we're about 3 or 4 minutes away from Calle Triana, which is the main shopping street. Lovely round windows up here. Bring it back down again. Let's just head on a little bit up this nice little pedestrianised street. Hey? And we have a crocodile sticking out the top of this shop. Along Calle del General Bravo, you'll find plenty of various buildings to have a look at, various colours and styles. I've just turned up a little side street and we're heading on to one of the main streets. Love the fact even this residential bit, there's palm trees and banana trees growing. Have a wander around the back streets of Triana. Don't just stick to the commercial shopping area bit. Have a wander, have a look, see what's about, and you might actually just turn up something like this. So we're now at the Barrio de Triana, which is a little park, and would you believe they've obviously got their little Christmas market on, but it's sponsored by Bifida Gin. Let's go in, shall we? Sadly, they weren't giving out free samples. Skinflints. This park is known for its cafe, which is a bit of a landmark. Amazing, isn't it? Here we are at Calle Triana. Las Palmas version of London's Oxford Street, or any major high street in any major city in the UK come to that. But anyway, let's have a wander down. Well, at least this one is pedestrianised. Along Calle Triana, you'll find these little side streets with cafés along them. Let's head back along, shall we? Well, there's a familiar name. We're now just leaving Triana, guys. We're heading to Vegueta. So let's do it. Just crossing over now. I'm just heading along the side of the road here, guys, for a moment. As you can see, we've got a hot bus dropping people off. But now we're going to head up to the cathedral, which is just behind me. If you come here, guys, wear a sensible pair of shoes because there's quite a lot of cobbles about. Okay, we're just going to turn around in there. Head round, like I said, to the cathedral. welcome to the cathedral. Let's head in and explore. Now it's only €6 to get in, so that's absolutely fine. So let's head in and check it out.
This cathedral is quite elegant. The high altar is dedicated to Santa Ana. Check out the blue stone columns, stained glass windows. Look how the light splashes across the inside space. And there are chapels, pulpits, an old organ. Now if you have sinned, don't forget to confess all in the comments. Now we're going to head up to the tower. Now I would advise using the lift. Don't be stupid like me and take the stairs. I think you'll agree the views from here are quite spectacular. And don't forget to check out the architectural details on the tower itself. Let's finish off with a wander around the cathedral's garden and museum.
Well, that's our tour of the cathedral done. That was excellent value for money, guys. Only €6. I was in there for about an hour.
Let's now have a wander around the cathedral square. It's protected by these doggies. And as you can see, the square's got no set up for Christmas.
Well, that's our tour of the cathedral and this little square, Santa Ana Square. So I'd just like to say at this point, guys, please comment, like, subscribe. I've noticed that quite a lot of you who regularly watch my videos haven't subscribed yet. YouTube does tell me this fact, so please, if you enjoyed the videos, please subscribe. So let's head on. Behind me is a Christopher Columbus Museum and where he once lived, so let's head in. Oh, and it's only €4.
Just inside you've got this beautiful Colonial courtyard. Wooden balconies, fountains and loads of little architectural detail that make this place feel calm and almost tropical. Don't ask me why these cannons are wrapped in wool. I'm assuming it must be some sort of Christmas thing. The museum focuses on the relationship between the Canary Islands and America. So maps, navigation, early voyages, patents and artifacts, and explain why the Canaries were such an important stop in the age of exploration. As you go around, don't forget to check out the reconstruction of the Santa Maria. It's not just about Columbus himself, it's about the bigger story, how his island connected Europe, Africa and the New World. You'll find this museum a bit of a 2-for-1. If you head upstairs, to my surprise, I found that it turned into a contemporary art museum. Heading out leads us through the iconic doorway. Don't forget to take a moment or two and check out the detail.
Now, something's just caught my eye up this sort of side street from the cathedral. Seems to be some sort of big fountain, so I'm going to have a wander up and check it out. So here we are, the Plaza del Espíritu Santos. That's rather impressive, isn't it?
Well, I think it's time for a well-earned coffee break. Let's try and find somewhere.
I think my feet need it. Little sandwich here, not quite sure what it actually is. It's okay. One black coffee. Cheers.
Right, time to head out.
I'm now outside the Museum of the Canaries. This one's about £6 to get in. Sorry, £5 to get in. And there's an impressive large collections of skulls and human skeletons in there. So let's go in.
There was a group of kids in here when I was visiting. As you can imagine, they found it fully fascinating.
Well, the last port of call on our little itinerary of Vegueta, guys, is the market. So let's head on in.
I must admit, I do love a good market. Yeah, you'll find loads of tropical fruit you usually don't find in the UK. As well as you expect, there's a lot of meat and fish on sale. So let's head out. It's not a particularly big market, it doesn't take that long to get round. I was actually surprised how quiet it was. I thought there'd be a lot more tourists in here than what there was. It's time for me to head back to my hotel, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.